esteemed panel of judges.
I think what I'm looking for, we've already proven that all of these young people can sing. Now I want to see how they interpret. That's really, for me, what in this round takes. What is it that they are bringing of themselves to the same karaoke?
Right, it's not. How about you, Amanda?
I want to feel that connection as like, and also I'm looking for a good performance, and I think that implies a good connection.
It does, right? Yeah. But
I think Victor's right on the money there. How they serve the song is key. We know they can sing, but the next level is to exactly what they said, make that connection and serve that song.
now I'm going to be calling up our singers one at a time. First up is going to be Mackenzie Clement. Victor,
Thank you, Victor.
I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. So I came in to see him listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes. Said I'm strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I felt all flushed with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I heard he found my letters and read each one out loud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on and strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life, his words killing me softly with his song.
Thank you very much.
I love the way you understood the tenderness of certain parts of it, which is it's a challenging thing to get to. It was great. Good job.
You were doing so many things at once that maybe most people don't know how many things you were really doing because they've never done that before. But you had such a consistency with your playing, your tempo, your meter, your vocal delivery, how you melded together your playing and singing, which you do equally well. You don't do one better than the other, so you're not defaulting to one that's better than the other. Loved your interpretation of the song.
Roberta Flack singing this song is one of the most heartbreaking things ever recorded. I mean, I really love this song. I really do. So I was really scared to hear that somebody was doing it. And I've got to say, not only was I impressed with the delivery, I was glad it wasn't a Roberta Flack impersonation.